On June 8th, 2021, Amazon is going to enable something called Sidewalk on all Echo and Ring devices. Essentially, what this service is it allows your home internet to be shared by other devices that aren't part of your home. Now, this does it by creating its own network of Alexa or Ring devices that talk to one another without you actively knowing what's going on. And Amazon shows a bunch of the benefits here where you can get peace of mind, stay connected, and essentially the idea here is that your services will still keep working even if your internet goes down. Now they have lots of question and answers here, but let's talk about how to turn this off if you don't want it enabled on your devices. To start off with, what you're going to need to do is go into your Amazon Alexa app. From there, on the bottom right hand corner, you're going to click on More, and then you're going to go to Settings. From Settings, you're going to click on Account Settings, and then you'll see the Amazon Sidewalk option there. Inside of there, you get a little bit of information about what Sidewalk does, and you can disable it or enable it by hitting that button. You also see there's a community finding option, which is going to allow you to create or find things, kind of like what Apple has as far as AirTags go. That seems to be where Amazon's heading with this. And essentially what's going to happen is these devices are going to use your internet or your neighbor's internet to talk with one another to create their own network that will allow them to communicate and to get information and share information more easily with each other. Depending on your feelings on this, you may want to disable it, you may want to keep it enabled. If you live in a really rural area, you're not going to have to worry about this. If you're in a populated area or let's say an apartment building, you may be using your internet for other people's services to run through it. It doesn't use a lot of bandwidth, but if you're concerned about privacy or anything along those lines, you may want to disable this, or you may want to keep it enabled for the benefits that it does propose.